Hey guys, welcome back to the Bass Garage. Today we did receive a package. Actually are some window guards or vent shades or what have you. But this is a new company. I've never heard of them, so I figured I'd give them a try. It's called WELLVisors. So let's get touring these things, see what we got here. All right. See what we have here. See if I can do this one-handed. Wow, they really have this thing reinforced to protect the product, which is really nice. And even got some padding here on the end here. All right. Let's see. Okay. You got them in plastic. Got a little padding up there. And padding on the other end of the box, so that looks pretty good. All right, well let's get these things unwrapped and see what we can do with these. All right, guys, we are going to attempt to install this vent shade here. I did notice, just part of a review here, that this one has a, I don't know if the camera pick up, has a small scratch already in it and some scuffs here. So not sure about the quality control there, but here we go here. Now these are in channels. I looked around, was looking at some different options, but there really isn't a whole lot of really good options out there for this 97 Honda CIvic Hatchback that, you know, have good reviews or good, that are it is good quality. So just got to keep that in mind. So with not knowing this company, I've never dealt with them or used their product, I figured I'd give them a try and see what happens. There was actually somebody on a forum that recommended these, and he had them and he said he liked them. So I said, well, why not try them? So here we are. We are definitely going to try them. I'm doing this a little different than what they recommended, or what they tell you to do this, is because I personally, I kind of tried this before, started recording, and I just couldn't get it to go in the way they wanted you to get it to go in there. So this is where we're at. I mean, it pretty much clips in like that, and then they tell you to roll your window up. Roll your window up, which is what we did. And now they want us to take a blow dryer and heat it up. So we'll be right with you with that. We will be, now, mind you, you know, this, you know, these aren't a necessity for the car, but I think that it would look good. And they do have the tape, the double-sided tape ones that tape on the outside. But I just think that that looks kind of tacky, so get this blow dryer here hooked up. Don't mind the color of it. I stole it from the wife. Definitely don't have enough hair to use a blow dryer. Now they want you to take the blow dryer, and because there's a double-sided tape on there. And I guess they just want you to kind of heat it up to get that tape to stick to the rubber real well, or the felt. I was kind of taking my finger and pushing out and rubbing the rubber down onto the plastic. As I heat it up, you know, heat it up, and then like on this end, got to kind of pull out on it so it pulls against the rubber weather stripping. Make sure we get it nice and warm. It's not really cold in this garage, but I just rather be a little safe than sorry. All right. Got that. Now we're supposed to let it sit for 24 hours is what the instructions say. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other side installed, and I'll be right back with you with a finished product. All right, guys, got this other one installed. I'm going to heat it up with the blow dryer. Now, I wouldn't recommend using a heat gun because those get way too hot. You'd wind up melting and catching something on fire, which would not be good at all. Hot, very hot. All right, got that all heated up. Get the glue nice and sticky. Then I'll take a nice clean microfiber and some glass cleaner here and just kind of wipe these down. Get any fingerprints or dust or anything off of them here. Yeah, I mean, right now, you know, these are going to work really well. They're going to look pretty well. I'm going to get the windows tinted, which probably should have waited to put these on once the windows were tinted. So yeah, the other thing I do kind of see, I guess I'll let you guys see it here in just a moment, is that on the edge of this driver's side one, it kind of has like a foggy bottom to it compared to the passenger side. Like maybe it wasn't buffed out enough. Again, it might be one of those quality control deals. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I mean, you know, these weren't cheap. I mean, they weren't like dirt cheap eBay visors whatsoever, or window guards, or whatever you'd like to call them. They do seem a little flimsy, but I guess we'll see. When it gets summertime and they sit in the heat, if they warp or anything. I mean, you know, time will tell. That's what anything. So here we go. driver's side. Do have a little issue there, but that's just the weather stripping. That's not the actual vent shade. But right on the bottom here, there's a fine, you can see like a foggy line right on the bottom of that one. Now it's not that way on the other side, but I mean, there's the driver's side kind of finished up. You know, they're kind of, they sit close to the window. So that's kind of different. I do like that. Kind of more aerodynamic, I guess, if you'd say. Seeing, there's that scratch I was talking about, that it came that way. But see, this edge isn't foggy like that. Well, it's almost like they didn't, almost like they didn't buff it all the way. So I'm going to have to see if I can reach out to them and see what they have to say. But so there's the passenger side. See, that one's kind of the same way. And again, this is called WELLVisors. So it's www.wellvisors.com. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these with my own money. I just figured, you know, do a video and see how these fit, and most important, if they last. Like I said, I'm a little disappointed with the scratch in that one, and then the fading on the other one. Or not, I wouldn't really want to call it fading, but like the fogginess, I guess, where it just wasn't buffed out all the way or something. I just kind of see it right there. I'm not too sure. Let me see if I changed that lighting's kind of hard to see. Yeah, right there you can see it. It's like a haziness right on the bottom. But, I mean, otherwise, you know, looks pretty good. So like I said, over time, we'll see. They are a little, I mean, they all have a little give, which is fine, but we'll see over time if they'll warp down, you know, towards the glass or what, from the heat from the sun this summer. All right, well, I also ordered some mirrors. I'm gonna replace these. A lot of you guys probably like these spoon mirrors or what have you, but the wife will be driving this, and they're a little too small, I think, you know, for what she needs to see for driving and getting over and what have you. But tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like these spoon mirrors, like the blue tent? You know, the only thing I saw is whoever put them on. I mean, they kind of, I don't know if these are the original mounts, but they didn't do a very good job mounting them, because I've had them off from when I painted it. But I mean, you guys are okay, I guess. But also, you know, let me know what you think about these WELLVisors. Like I said, I'd never heard of them before, and see if we could give them a try. If you guys have them or something and had them for a while or something like that, comment. Let me know how they held up for you guys, or did you have any problems with quality control? Yeah, so that'll probably do it for today's video. Yeah, again, like, subscribe, share, comment. Please comment, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, just a little update on the WELLVisors. I did reach out to the manufacturer, sent them pictures of the scratch, and then where it was faded on the bottom of the driver's side, kind of like where it wasn't buffed out enough. And they did, first offer was to give me a partial refund. The second option was to break the ones that I have in half, send them a picture, and they would send me new ones. But I'm not too concerned about that. I mean, I'm glad they did what they did. I mean, they're standing behind their product. That's basically what I wanted to tell you guys, that WELLVisors, I mean, they do seem pretty decent, minus the little flaws. Maybe it was just a lemon, so to speak, you know, set. But yeah, so go try them out. See what, see if they have them for your vehicle. But for this 97 hatch, there isn't too many options out there that are good ones. So I'd say these are probably one of the better ones you're going to find for this specific vehicle. So yeah, again, like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, please put them down there in the comment section. Also hit that bell button, get notifications when we upload a new video. We'll have a few more coming here soon. Thanks.